Hello friends, in this video we'll show you a step by step how to purchase Dragon Marks, that is new cryptocurrency, with the help of MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap, right? So nowadays cryptocurrency is a kind of a trading market strategy in this world, and lots of people literally earning huge money from that cryptocurrency. Yes, definitely we believe that will going to change the future payment industry. Yes, but before starting this video, I would like to share the few informations. If you want regular wise update related to any trading on the cryptocurrency, or you might want to know the few informations of the particular cryptocurrency, try to follow up our Telegram channel. Yes, now come to that particular video. So how you will purchase that new cryptocurrency? That is nothing but a Dragon Marks with the help of PancakeSwap and MetaMask wallet. First of all, you need a kind of a exchange wallet. Exchange wallet means you can purchase kind of a coin, let's say Binance coin, then Ethereum coin, and then you can transfer your any of the trust wallet, in our case nothing but a MetaMask wallet. So now, if you want to create your account in Binance wallet, then you can use our referral link or ID that is given in the description sections. If you are creating your account using our referral ID, you will getting a 50% discount in the transactions fee throughout the whole life. Yeah, that is point number one. So now, in that Binance wallet, what you will do, you will purchase some Binance coins, okay, with by spending either your currency. Let's say you are purchasing USDT and then you are purchasing the Binance coin, and then simply you will be withdrawing. Let's say this is a BNB, and then you have to provide the address of your MetaMask wallet. Then how to create the MetaMask wallet? That is a simple. You should search in the Chrome like MetaMask wallet extensions. Once you will be download it in your Chrome extensions, then you will be getting a options to sign up that particular wallet. Once you will be sign up it, you will having a kind of a unique address, then you will be withdrawing that Binance from your actual exchange, let's say in our case from Binance to MetaMask wallet. So that is the preliminary step. So once that is done, then what you need to do, you need to go to the PancakeSwap, or you need to visit the Dragon Marks, that particular website. So now there is options buy tokens. If you hit the buy tokens, so it will redirect to PancakeSwap. So PancakeSwap, it's a kind of a another token or network, so which will swap from one particular currency or cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. In our case, so our, let's say we want to purchase the Dragon Marks, that cryptocurrency, and now in my wallet, so whatever the Binance I have, based on that I can purchase that particular cryptocurrency. So let me log out my wallet. So once you had done your configuration in the MetaMask wallet, and you will be redirecting to that PancakeSwap, you will be getting options like that, connect your wallet. So you will be either connecting your Trust wallet. So Trust wallet is nothing but a MetaMask and any other wallet like a Wallet Connect, then Token Pocket. So in our case we are using MetaMask. So let's say I am connecting with the MetaMask. So my MetaMask wallet has been connected, right? So now, so Dragon Marks, okay. So as I mentioned, so you can see that particular cryptocurrency code came here. So now how much Binance you want to spend in order to purchase the Dragon Marks? Let's say I want to spend 0.0012 Binance in order to purchase the Dragon Marks. So still something is creating the problems due to the network issue might be. So let's see, I mean it should give like a what is the equivalent value of the dragon marks by spending the Binance coin. Okay, let me just do a refresh. 0 0 0 1 2. Okay, so you can see how much dragon marks I can get it. 4 6, almost 280 crore meta, I mean dragon marks. I'll get it by spending 0.0012 Binance. So now if I hit the swap button, then might be it will be confirmed. Yes, so I'll be getting a kind of a confirmations in my MetaMask wallet. So same thing you'll be getting for the other trusted wallet. So you'll be once it would be done, so you can see there is a view on the Binance scan, right? So in the view in the Binance scan, if you click it, then you can see that descriptions this transactions has been included into the block number this and will be reflected in a short while. That is means this transactions is routing in the several network, and once that would be done, it will give you the confirmations that transactions has been completed. So you can see now within a few seconds it's shown the successes status. So this is my transactions hash. So what I need to do, so you can see there is a token transferred and now there is a dragon marks D marks. So now two D marks you have to click, and now you have to copy that contact address. If you copy that contact address, then you will come to your MetaMask wallet. If you come to your MetaMask wallet, then you have to hit the add token button, and then you have to provide that token address, and you can see automatically token symbol T marks came here. Now hit the next button and now add tokens. So let me show you whether that token has been added or not. You can see almost 252 crore token has been added in my MetaMask wallet of dragon marks. So this is how you can purchase the dragon marks, that new cryptocurrency, with the help of PancakeSwap and any of the trust wallet, in our case MetaMask, and then using any of the exchange, right? And now the questions is how you can transfer in your, let's say you have an account in Binance and you want to sell in the future perspective. Just click the send button and you can put the address of your wallet, and even you can scan that address of your wallet, then immediately that coin will be transferred to that wallet, and then immediately you can sell it whenever it will be available in that particular exchange. So this is how easily you can purchase the dragon mask cryptocurrency. Video will help you in order to understand how you can purchase the dragon marks, that cryptocurrency. If you have any doubt, just let us know in that comment sections, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and try to follow up our Telegram channel. Always regular ways will give the update. Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you in the next video.